What is a personal computer (PC)? PCs are computers that range in size, levels of power, and complexity. They are usually used by one user at a time and will consist of a processor, keyboard, and screen. They are used for a range of things such as accessing the internet, using sound or media-based software such as editing software, creating Word documents, and many more. Additionally, they are used for storing, sending, and receiving data. What constitutes a device? A device that has some form of processing chip or embedded processor. What is an IT system? A device or group of devices that consists of input, process, and output devices. They are usually connected through a network. What is a server? A server is a piece of hardware that provides data to computers. Some servers may provide the data through either a local or wide area network over the internet. Additionally, they are used for storing software to relieve storage space. They can be backed up from one place. What is the concept of a device? To receive, process, store, and transmit data. For example, a phone receives data through a built-in antenna, then processes this data and converts it into audio or video format, so the user can hear and see what is being received. The phone will also convert the user's image and voice into data, then transmit this to the cell towers through radio waves. Other examples would be MP3 player, flight black box, and computer. What is an entertainment system, and how does it fit into the category of devices? A system of multifunctional electronic components that produce audio, music, and or video output. Examples include Apple TV, home movie theaters, DAB radios, in-car entertainment systems, and MP3 and MP4 players. They are categorized as devices because they receive, process, transmit, and or store data in the form of video or audio. Most entertainment systems used today are devices because they process data. However, there are still some purely analog devices, such as vinyl record players. What are GPS systems and why are they commonly used? GPS (brackets Global Positioning System) uses multiple satellites to triangulate their exact location. GPS systems are used for a range of things such as tracking location, sat-nav, locating your devices, telecommunications, calculating distance moved, elevation, and many more. GPS in the US. GPS is the US Global Navigation Satellite System (brackets GNSS). GLONASS is the Russian, Galileo is the EU, and Baidu is the Chinese one. Some devices can switch between the four various systems. What is a data capture system? So, data capture systems are used for electronic data capture. They take information and collect it to perform a specific task. Examples are credit and debit card readers for payment transactions, ANPR cameras, Bluetooth devices, and many more. How are systems changing the way people are educated and trained? The main categories where systems have changed education and training are: 1. In the classroom, teachers/trainers can use devices such as interactive whiteboards, computers, simulators, etc. This makes the lessons much more interesting, interactive, and relevant when compared to using a blackboard. In the home, students and teachers use multiple devices for preparing for lessons, doing homework/assignments, research, etc. This allows for documents to be edited and makes it easier for teachers to keep lesson plans and resources for future use. Devices help to aid communication through the internet. Examples are Microsoft Teams, Zoom, email, and others. What is the role of devices in social media? Social media is used for entertainment, leisure, educational, and work purposes. Social media is very effective at spreading news and other messages. The danger is when the information or messages is incorrect or damaging. Fake news can be very damaging. Devices are used to access, receive, and send data. This means that they have a significant role in entertainment, safety, navigation, well-being, and work. How are devices and technology providing more accessibility for a range of people? So devices can help people with disabilities to communicate. For example, someone who can't speak or is paralyzed can have their eye movements tracked and converted into text. This can either be displayed on a screen or turned into speech. Similar devices can be used to control a range of things such as wheelchair movements, adding home features such as controlling lights, controlling the TV, and even the front door. Devices can be used for people with disabilities to access information and to communicate with the outside world. For example, smartphones, computers, tablets help to access information around them and communicate with others. Devices help to keep people safe. For example, fall detection or motion sensors can identify if someone has fallen over. This alerts the user or an emergency contact and even gives the user the choice to contact the emergency services if necessary. Thanks very much for watching.